Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Project 3A. So hari ni kita orang melawat satu kilang, itu kilang carbon fiber. So let's go guys. Jom kita usah.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
This polar tree.
Oh, this Satria. Apa ni? Hey, look nice bro. Condition dia memang TikTok.
Yang mana nak? Boleh cari saya. Baik Autopart, PS, Bomba.
So mana yang full? Wow. Okay guys, jom kita tengok Satria full carbon fiber. Weh, gila weh. Weh, ni memang gila weh. Ni memang gila, ni memang kerja gila weh. Full wrap carbon fiber.
Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
Guys, yang ni yang wrap saja. Ini yang wrap saja. Dan yang ni yang full carbon fiber. Yang ni pada siap motor pun dia orang buat weh. Guys, ni saiz kain je.